Next, I'm going to put on my minimal thickness. Generally, I'll have a little bit of issue or concavity at the cervical. Now, I don't need to take care of all the minimal thickness at the margin. I generally don't unless I'm worried about chipping, but I'll bring it out just a little bit just to kind of give myself the correct facial contour of these restorations. And once I'm done doing that, the final thing that I'll generally do, or second to last, is I'll give myself a little bit of a head start when it comes to anatomy, and I'll turn on incisal variation. Now, everybody has their preferences. My preference with incisal variation is to start with number 3, move it all the way. Obviously, you can see I have minimal thicknesses when I move it too far. Back it up to an acceptable level to give myself some line angles, developmental depressions. Then we'll go ahead and hit apply. Now, if you want to layer more than one, you have to hit apply in between. So the next one I'm going to do is variation number 5, which will give me some horizontal perikymata. And we'll go ahead and you can move that up and down, put the perikymata where you'd like it to be. Once you're done with incisal variation, the very last step is we need to unlink the restorations and check the distal contacts. I always unlink them because these may not be symmetrical back here. And so I generally like to look underneath the model and then just use the smooth tool to adjust them generally into the greenish area, and then you are done. So hopefully you enjoyed these 4 tip of the day videos on central incisors and you picked up a couple tips to help you the next time you do them. Thank you. For more tips like these, please visit us at cdocs.com. Thank you.